Hey guys, back now. Lara went back to a previous place that she was at. A little bit of an orifice into the jungle here, as you can see. She had collected all the goodies already. Got some games, so she had some skills. Basically, she can actually hunt out here. Which we already went through that. Let's get into the really fun stuff of discovery. So here, there was a big wall here, and I shot it down with my shotgun. So I have a shotgun here, and that's what I used in order to shot down some barricades. So she shot that down, and now she's going in to see what kind of treasures are here for her to collect. So looks like she's got something here to collect. Looks like she's got some sort of a travel log. So you can see that she collects experience points. Those experience points is what helps her obtain enhancements to her weapons, her outfits, more points for more skills that she collects at base camps. Now she's going into the jungle again, and she is actually looking for the tomb. As you can hear, I have turned on my GPS, I guess you'd say, and that's what she's following. So, usually you can tell there's a tomb when there's like a dead animal carcass in the way. Oh, let's see if we can. Got away. You can see there's a challenge tomb nearby here. It's been a while since I went to this tomb, so I don't even remember, to tell you the truth, which one this is. It's been such a long time, but it's exciting. Okay, so now she can collect. I got them. Anyway, she can collect some more skill points. Where was that? Yeah, I think he was here. Oh, see that? He's on the other side of the shrubbery. So I may have to get him later. It's probably beyond the tomb entrance. So I'm closer. Every time you're near a tomb, this challenge tomb sign, and the music changes. That's how you can tell. And there it is, the blue lights. I put my, I call it GPS highlights, I guess. And that's where the entrance is. So let's forge on. One more point here. And we're just there, so might as well while you can. And I want to refurbish my arrows and craft my arrows while I can. You never know what's going to come down the pipeline. Better safe than sorry. Max that there. Everything looks good. Got provisions. There's another animal to collect from. It's amazing how Lara doesn't eat. I guess maybe this is when she eats, when she hunts her prey. I don't know. But as I've played this game in so long, I've never seen her eat. Can I find her? So yeah, I can collect this animal. Ooh, I have to use my knife. Okay. Make it official. And might as well collect this. I may need it for some explosives later. Excuse me. Couldn't get those words out. Alright, let's forge on. Now, scoping out, always watching my back, literally. Making sure my fire arrows are in place, ready to be fired, just in case you never know. Oh, poison mushrooms.
I don't have enough space for that.
Oh darn, I guess I have enough poison mushrooms. I don't even have enough space. So here, looks like a really fun way before we get into the tomb itself. You can actually Oh, I'm missing a gear. Darn. The rope ascender. I don't have that yet. So here's another fact that sometimes you have to go back to the base camps in order to use your new gear, which I don't have yet. That's kind of fun though, because then you're thinking, where did I see that rope ascender gear that I needed before? So let's just make a little mental note of that. Missing gear, have to go back. And let's see, where are we? We are here in the tomb. We are at Kuagyaku, 38% complete. You can see that I have a tomb still yet to discover, and I found it. This is the aerial perspective of the map. I have 3,988 gold pieces, which if I go back to my base camp here, I can go back to the Patiti market and be able to buy some more provisions and special things and gadgets to collect if I wanted to. So there's lots of shopping too. Kind of fun, huh? Alright, let's go. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh. This is a really good find. This is basically a nice backpack. And these are, you run into it sometimes you don't even know it's there. I just happen to run into it. You get experience points. Plus your maps, you have more beacons that highlight on your map. So now there's more places to go and more places, more treasures to collect. So this is new. Look at all these new things. I have this monolith now. I have this new survival cache I can go back to. It just makes this game a lot more longer to play, and it's a lot more exciting because I definitely know I have to come back here. And I can't go too far into the game because I may not be able to get back, as I described before, but good to go for now. You know where we're going. Don't really remember how I traversed in this area, to tell you the truth, because it's all like new again to me. So you know, wow. A little bit of highlights. I don't know if this is even the right way. I have to go down. Alright, well, let's see. Wow, I'm not really sure which way to go, to tell you the truth. I think I have to dive. I think so. Let's cross our fingers and hopefully that's what it is. Yep, diving. Yes. That's the only way. It's down, right? So obviously we have to dive. Got some stuff here. Now I think I have, at this point, I have unlimited swimming power, which means I can hold my breath for a very long time. Now mind you, I think I've collected that type of gift earlier, but she does run out of air eventually, so you have to watch out, but make sure that you know where you're going before you even venture into anything or swimming, because obviously, yeah, you see that? That means she's running out of air. When you hear that noise, she has to come up for air. Okay, I need to figure out what to do next. Looks like that way is the way to go. I'm not sure if this is the place where there's zombies, but eventually I think what's going to happen is I'm going to have to somehow make it back here to this area on that ledge, and I'm going to have to jump over there to those rocks and use my pickaxe or my axe climber to get out of here. But this is the another tomb that I don't remember how I traversed into. So let's tune in next time. Hopefully you guys will be able to look for my next video and we can check out the tomb. For now, talk to you later. Bye.